Hello, thank you for joining me again today to paint in watercolor. And today we're going to be painting a pebble painting, like the pebble shore of the Murray River. I'm just taping down a half sheet of Hong watercolor paper. Reflections, it'll be a little easier for you to see what it's like. I'm going to tip it on an angle because I've put on so much extra glaze that it's pooling just there, so I'll just tip it for a minute, and when it's dry I'll add a picture to the end of the video so you can see the final dry result. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video at all, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.